In this video, I will show you multiple different ways how to fix your terribly slow charging speeds on the Galaxy Watch 9 and also on the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Basically, with this newest generation Galaxy Watches, they have major problem that pretty much most people are suffering from. So the thing is, they charge insanely slow. So the normal charging time, for example, for the Galaxy Watch 9, this 40mm version would be around 1 hour and 20 minutes. That's what you should see. Also, if you pop it on a charger, you will see estimates that is actually good. But in real life, it actually will take insanely long time to charge. So I have seen also some people report up to 4 hours. So again, I'm not kidding. For mine, it takes 2.5 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100. So yeah, 2.5 hours, which is absolutely ridiculous. So after doing a bunch of research and also talking with a bunch of people who also have the same problem, there simply appears to be a cooling issue on these watches. So basically, once you pop on your watch on the charger, due to the way they have probably redesigned the charging on this watch, is simply generating too much heat. And then once basically you have too much heat on the charger pack, it's simply going to limit itself and throttle. That's why also you probably get these very slow charging speeds. So there are a few simple solutions that we can do. So first, instead of placing your watch to charge it like this, so flat on the table, for example, you can literally place it sideways like this. So you see, basically we have full air access to the charger and simply will get cooled off more efficiently. Or also you can literally flip it over on your watch face. Also, you can let it dangle as well, like this as well, completely, and that also will improve your charging speeds. Another effective method is if you simply pop your watch like this, so with the charger up, and you grab a fan, basically, and simply blow air on it. So I'll put it on the highest speed. So it's a simple mini fan I have over here. It's simply going to blow air at the watch and it's simply going to cool it off. And with this method, I'm getting like normal charging speeds. So when it's sitting like this and the fan is blowing on it. So that should fix the issue for, I suspect, most people. If you take the fan and direct it at the charger pack and the back of the watch, so it will easily get cooled off. Also, perhaps if you have a power bank, so anyway, how to basically charge it on the go. What you can do is you can simply take your watch, put it on the charger and simply place in a fairly cold place. So maybe if you have some basement, so on a very cold floor, you can simply place your watch somewhere where it's simply cold. Or literally, you can probably even put in a fridge as well. So again, I'm not kidding. So if you put in fridge, it obviously will be very cool outside of it and will effectively cool the watch itself and it won't throttle anymore. So yeah, for example, you see if you check the charging estimates, it appears very good charging speeds, but yeah, in real life it takes insane long time to charge. So again, for me personally, around 2.5 hours, but for a lot of people I have also seen they take up to 4 hours to charge. Also, when you are charging your watch, make sure to only use included cable to actually charge it. So this pack that was included inside the box when you purchased your watch. If I, for example, try to charge with my older Galaxy Watch chargers, it also is incredibly slow and also often even doesn't work with some of the chargers. So yeah, also if I inspect the build quality, I mean the design of the chargers, this looks tiny bit different. So it appears also they have changed the charger a bit on this newer watch as well. So again, do not actually try to charge with an older Galaxy Watch charger. They do not work good at all with these new ones. Also, if you are trying to charge it with any other wireless charger, again, I suggest not to do that because, again, from my experience, they barely even work now with any like normal wireless chargers, so only with this included one. So again, there's major issue basically with these watches. So it's absolutely crazy. Samsung hasn't done any quality control before releasing these watches with such a major problem. So yeah, kind of crazy. Okay, like,